Okay, sewer scope for 133 Ocean View Court, Vista, California. Going in through the roof stack vent. So, the roof stack vent material is cast iron piping, and then underneath the house, everything was changed out to ABS plastic. We'll see if ABS plastic goes all the way to the street. Nope, we are back into cast iron piping. So you can see that cast iron piping corrodes from the inside. You can tell just by the way the camera head moves. The cast iron piping does have a lot of corrosion. Okay, good news. We go back into ABS plastic. And then we go back into cast iron piping. You can see that there's a lot of corrosion in the inside of the pipe. Good news is everything is flowing freely. Well, as soon as I said that, there's this guy. Somebody washed the wrapper down drain. I don't know what that is. I can't read it. Alright, let's see if we can make it all the way to the street entrance. Feet into the pipe, a little bit more debris, got a little bit of a bend right here. Oh, that's a big bend. So I was able to get 93 feet in, almost 94 feet into this pipe, but I can't seem to push the camera anymore, and it's because of all that cast iron piping. So it's corroding so bad that it's creating so much resistance on my camera line, and that's as far as I can get. But we can see right in front of me, we got some debris right there that's getting caught in it. We've seen a little bit more debris. The other one was a wrapper, but this one right here, you can see is getting caught in the cast iron piping because of all that corrosion. But yes, there is a lot of corrosion going on inside that cast iron piping. Definitely recommend having a licensed plumbing contractor further evaluate it. See if